Uh, then Section 5 talked about notice. Section 6 talks about consent. Free and specific, informed, unconditional, unambiguous, given through a clear affirmative action. It can't be, you can't have certain things pre-ticked in the check boxes and say, I accept. No, the user should ideally make a concrete action of checking certain boxes after reading it, and then only. It can't be like everything is happening automatically. So I wonder, whether the OTPs, we keep submitting OTPs automatically and we give those permissions. So all those things will have to be seen, whether those UI will be able to be retained or what do we do. But of course, we allow the apps to read our OTPs, through SMS, etc. But then all those permissions will have to be relooked, whether the permission is perpetual or permission was only this time, etc., etc. Things will have to be looked into. Invalid parts of the consent. If your consent violates the DPDP Act or the rules or any other law, it will be invalid. And I'm skipping the example for the, in the interest of time. Right to withdraw the consent. So this also we have covered. A right to stop processing after withdrawal. So in case you withdraw your consent, the data fiduciary has to stop processing. Now the rights of deletion of data, they have to confirm it to you that okay, it was stopped, the data has been deleted. The only exception could be where the provider is required to retain the data for certain regulatory requirements of his own. So if it's a telecom company, there are telecom databases to be maintained. So limited purposes, regulatory requirements, they can retain it. Otherwise, they have to purge it. Consent manager provisions will come in, if they'll get notified. So consents could be driven through consent managers. And processing personal data without consent for legitimate use. So certain legitimate uses like government services, public interest, all that is allowed. And
Welcome to Complinity Technologies. Complinity is India's leading governance, risk and compliance software helping companies to manage their compliance, contracts, litigation, legal updates, inter-financial controls and more. Complinity is a one-stop shop for all GRC needs. With our proprietary 12 GRC modules and real-time legal updates on 2,000+ laws and 24,000+ compliances. All in an integrated platform that is easy to use with automated alerts and risk management capabilities. Is why compliance managers, general counsels and chief financial officers choose Complinity every time. Join the most innovative and prestigious brands that use Complinity. Automating your compliance management. Request a demo at complinity.com.